Okay, students, now we are starting with the types of crystal. We have studied sufficient theory about the types of crystal like rock salts type, cesium chloride, zinc blend, fluorite and antifluoride. Okay, they are only the theory concept. Just theory concept will not work out until unless you solve the numericals based along with that topic and previous topic. Okay, so previous radius ratio and cell parameters all together now combined with the theory of types of crystal. Okay, so slowly combination of the topics is going to be done. So you have to be very careful and remember the old things. Okay, not only learn new things, remember the old things, then only you will be able to solve this type of questions. Okay, so here question is rubidium halide. There are two types of crystals. Both belong to NaCl type only. Both belong to which type? NaCl type only. But rubidium chloride, when it is rubidium is placed in place of the sodium, that edge length is going to be 30 picometer greater than that of the potassium. If I keep potassium here, if I keep rubidium here, edge length is increasing in case of the rubidium by the 30 picometer. Now you have to find out what is the radius of rubidium. Potassium radius is already given and you have to find out rubidium radius. Both cases halogen is same and structure is NaCl type. Okay, see here, just a previous lecture only we have studied NaCl. In NaCl, sodium is available at edge centers. Sodium is available at edge centers. Okay, so this is corner edge center. Is it understood? So this total, what it is going to be, it is going to be edge length. Okay, so this edge length, if I take potassium and if I take rubidium, so rubidium one is higher by 30 picometer. Okay, by how much picometer? 30 picometer. That is what given. And radius of potassium is how much? 133. Okay, so this is all given in this paragraph. Now I am going to solve it try to be understand very carefully. Okay, so let us take in case of in kx. In kx, edge length is equal to what? 2 into rk plus 2 into r x minus. Halogen is not known, but both ways common. Okay, it is equal to how much? Suppose let us take this one and this plus 30 is equal to 2 into r rubidium plus 2 into r x minus. Is it understood, students? So this edge length when rubidium is placed in the NaCl crystal is 30 more by the edge length when potassium is made as a crystal. Okay, is it understood how this equation is formed? Any doubt? If you got any type of doubt, I will clear itself because afterwards it is very difficult to understand. Okay, so we are doing very basic level questions, but only thing is multi-concept questions. Okay, noted this. Now this and this will get cancelled. I think only thing is left over 2rk plus 30 is equal to 2rb plus 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Rk plus 15 is equal to rrb plus. Is it understood? Any doubt into this? Now rk plus is already given as 133. So 133 plus 15 is equal to rrb plus. So it is equal to 148 picometer. rrb plus is how much? 148 picometer. Okay. So the type of crystal is very essential to solve because it is not necessary that everything it will be on the edge center. If it is on body center, we will use body diagonal. If it is on face center, we will use face diagonal. As it is edge center, this question little bit easiest. Okay. So given by K. Adarsh. Okay, listen now. Which of the following has FCC structure? Two conditions are given. FCC structure and cations must be present in alternate tetrahedral voids. Okay. So this type of arrangement along with the diagram. Okay. Along with the diagram, location, and how many points? 7 points in each already explained in the theory lecture. Okay, so this is a conceptual question. So what is answer? Zinc sulfide. In zinc sulfide, sulfur forms FCC. Zn occupies alternate tetrahedral voids. Zn occupies where? Alternate tetrahedral voids. Okay. Okay, here is the matrix match. One matrix match is equal to 6 to 7 fill in the blanks or single correct options. Okay. So don't take it only, it is only for advanced, it is for NEET, it is for mains, it is for MSET, it is for KSET, it is for MHT CET. Okay. But only advantage is that this covers many concepts. So one matrix match is equal to 6 to 7, at least 6 to 7 single correct options. Okay. Here it is given to primitive and FCC. Whether this matches, this matches, this matches, all can match or one can match. At least one will be matching and more than one also possible. Okay. Types of crystal system. Very first lecture. Basic crystal systems, Bravis lattice. So it is a matrix match. So A can match to more than one. A can match to more than one and partial marking may not be there. So you should be prepared and compare with everybody. Okay, here primitive and FCC. In all of them, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma and their cubic system, and these are all is equal to 90 only. Okay, so A will be equal to, answer A is equal to P, and two different crystal system no, and only two angles no, so belong to same crystal system. Okay, so all angles are same, all uh, lengths also same. So P comma S. A answer is P comma S. Like that you have to try. Okay. A answer is what? Here it is given only two angles are same. Okay. No, it is not. Are two different crystal system? No. Different crystal system means seven crystal systems I have told you. They should have to be different, two different systems. They both belonging to the same system. Okay. So answer for A will be P comma S only. Okay, here are the answers. B is P and Q. P cubic and rhombohedral both have A is equal to B. See, rhombohedral is one system, cubic is, they both belonging to the cubic system only, but rhombohedral and cubic are different. Okay, so but some angles are different. Okay, so here it R is not same. So B answer is P comma Q. C cubic and tetragonal. Cubic and tetragonal are only two different system. For both of them, A is not equal to B, not equal to C, or C. These two conditions are not met in the tetragonal. Okay, hexagonal and monoclinic. Monoclinic and both are different. Okay, there are two different crystal system and R, but here hexagonal and monoclinic. In hexagonal, it is 120 degree, and only two angles are 90 degree. Okay, so B is P comma Q. B is P comma Q both. Okay, next question is KCl crystallizes in same type of KCl crystallizes in same type of NaCl, and CSF crystallizes in same type of CSCl. But there is some variation. What is that variation? Molecular mass of cesium fluoride. Molecular mass of cesium fluoride is twice that of potassium chloride. And A value, edge length of Potassium chloride is 1.5 times that of cesium fluoride. Now you have to find out ratio of density of cesium fluoride to potassium chloride. In the numerator you keep cesium fluoride, in the denominator you keep potassium chloride. Okay? Okay, now listen carefully. So density formula is Z into molecular mass divided by A cube into Na. Okay? So here we want density of cesium fluoride. For density of cesium fluoride, cesium fluoride is cesium chloride. So 2. Z will be 2. Okay? And 1.5 times of. So this I will write it as a molecular mass of cesium fluoride only divided by A cube only into Na. Okay. Now density of, next one is density of what? KCl is equal to 4 into molecular mass of KCl divided by A cube is different here, Na. So if I divide both of them, Na and Na will get cancelled. Okay. So they both will get cancelled and we can substitute times. KCl is 1.5 times. Here I can write, here I am writing 2 into molecular mass of cesium fluoride divided by A cube. Okay. And whole divided by 4 into molecular mass of 1.5 times of cesium fluoride. So 1.5 into cesium fluoride, 1.5 times of cesium fluoride divided by edge length, A value, oh shit, molecular mass of cesium fluoride is 2 times of K. Here I will write 2 into molecular mass of KCl. This is going to be the same. Molecular mass of KCl is going to be same. Here it is given molecular mass of cesium fluoride is twice of KCl. So here I have written twice of KCl. And A value of KCl is 1.5 times of cesium fluoride. So 1.5 into A whole cube. Okay. So this and this will get cancelled. A cube and A cube will get cancelled. On final simplification, the leftover things are 1.5. This will go into numerator 1.5 whole cube into 2. Okay. Into 2 divided by 4. Okay. So finally answer will be 1.69. Ratio will be what? 1.69. 1.69. So here one more 2 is also there. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. Answer will be 1.5 whole cube. Answer will be 1.5 whole cube. Okay. So this 2 was left over. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. Only thing left over will be 1.5 whole cube. Okay. Next question is CSBr has CSCl structure with edge length of 4.3. Edge length is how much? 4.3 angstroms. The shortest interionic distance between cesium plus and Br minus is. Okay, in cesium chloride it is BCC. Cesium will be body center and bromine. Bromine is going to be where? At the corners. Where they are going to be at the corners. So you have to take body diagonal into the reference. This is the shortest possible distance. What it is? This is the shortest possible distance between them. Okay. So between the shortest possible distances, this is only. So this is from here to here only you have to take. All of you are aware that root 3a is equal to 4. Otherwise, 2 capital R plus, 2R plus 2R minus. From here to here I am talking. But we want only this distance. Okay. Radius of plus, radius of minus is equal to root 3 by 2a. Okay. So root 3 by 2 into A will be how much? 4.3. So this is the intraionic distance from here to here. Okay. So on simplifying, you will get 3.7. You will get 3.728. This is the exact divided answer. 3.728. Is it understood?